Hello, welcome. So right now I am going to discuss about how you can create salary statements or you can say salary slip. So in this I am going to talk about that with the help of formula you can create salary of your five employee. It can be 500, it can be 1000 or 2000 or 10 lakh, 2 lakh. So it is very easy to calculate it. First, I will try to help you that how we can able to calculate the salary. So I'm not include all the allowances which is given by the state government or central government. I just included only those allowances which is uh, mostly used and mostly known by all of us, so that's why I'm able to use those allowances. So basic salary is just a base, so according to the basic salary we are able to calculate HRA, TA, DA, medical allowance and GPF, as well as gross salary, net salary. So let us talk about basic salary. So right now I'm going to talk, use here basic salary is 10,000. Let us suppose it's 5,000, it's 6,000, it also 5,000, it near about 8,000. So here we can use currency option here. So if you want to use currency, so currency give you option that you can include your currency symbol. So here we have dollar, euro, and so many. So whatever you want to choose, you can use it here. So there's so many more. So I'm going to choose the other currencies which is given by here. So in India we are using rupee, so you can find out rupee. uh, India, so is India. I am going to use, so we have to find out first. Okay, it took time. It's better we are going to use another currency which is available to us, but here we are able to find rupee also, because rupee is also included here. So I'm going to use dollar here. You can choose someone else if it is required. So I use it here. uh, Never ever use your own symbol, insert own dollar from your keyboard, because it will not able to help you to get the value. Then your cell value become alphanumeric. Then it become alphanumeric. You didn't able to calculate or didn't able to use formula. So it's better that you use uh, currency currency option as compared to just symbols from the keyboard. So let us suppose HRA is 10% of our basic salary. So how we can able to calculate the formula? It is very easy. We all know about it. If we want that Excel know about it, what type of input we are going to type? Is it just text, or it able to take from formula? So equal to symbolize formula. So x, whenever we use equal to, prefix equal to, so it means Excel is ready to use formula. They are expecting from us that we are going to use formula. So here I use equal to. So 10% of basic salary, I use 10%, asterisk sign for into. I clicked here. So this cell is C2. If you want to choose cell, if you want to write it, type it, so you can type it here. So I choose it here, C2. I pressed tab, or you can use enter. Should give 1000. T is 5.5%. So again equal to 5.5. You can use percentage. It doesn't matter, you have to divide 10. So if you use percentage, it equal to calculate uh, your percentage according to your basic salary. So I'm using into, then basic salary address. So it's C2. So it gives us hash. It means our salary is not appropriate to take this value. So it's 550. So DA is 7.5, equal to 7.5 into your basic salary address. So I increase this cell also. Medical allowance is 4% of your basic salary is just assumption. I am not consider any any organization. I just take it to my own. So never think what it is belong to any means department or organization. I just do it to my own self. So it's medical allowance. Then we have GPF. So this is a gross provident fund. We all know about it. This is that fund which is taken from our salary, the government taken from our salary, and they give us an interest according to that. And after retirement, we will get this money back. So, but it is not included. It is not be included in our means net salary. So I will explain you after. I use equal to, then I use 10% of our basic salary, so into your basic salary, then enter. So gross salary is the sum of all of the things, sum of your GPF, then all of the things. So GPF is also a part of our salary, but it is given by after some time, after retirement or voluntary retirement, it will given us. But right now I am just include what is our gross salary. So gross salary is the sum of all of the things. So I use equal to sum from D2 to H2. So I use D2, then I use range operator, and then I clicked H2 here, or you can do the other way, just like here. I can use like that. So it's your choice. Enter. So according to our GPF and all of the things, I calculate my salary is, let's see, I didn't use percentage here, that's why I'm not able to get the right answer. So this it is $3,700, but I'm not including basic salary. So basic salary is also a part of our gross salary. So it start from C2. So okay, basic salary plus your HRA, TAD, medical allowance, GPF, all of the things which will be included here. So this is our gross salary. So what about our net salary? So net salary, that salary which is given to you, or which is will be in your hand, which is will be sent to your account. That is your net salary. So gross salary is all some of the all above, and net salary is after deduction the salary you will get. That is your net salary. So equal to my gross salary cell address minus our GPF. So we will get $12,700. So this is our salary, net salary that will be sent to our bank account. So if my employee is 5, it's okay that I will type all the things. If my employee is 100, 200, 300,000, then it is very tedious job for me. So how I can able to use this with the expert or with a better way? So it's a better way that you will select all the cells value just like that. Click here. So you will get the plus mark, addition mark, very thin. Then drag it down. It automatically included your cells, included your formula according to your basic salary. So here if I use F2, so I got 10% according to the C2. If I goes down and I click F2, C3, it automatically change my cell address, and I use 10%, 5%, it automatically detect all the things. So I hope you are able to understand that how we can able to create our salary. So it is not a difficult, it is very easy, but you know the basic maths. If you know the basic maths after our basic formula, you are able to become very expert, and you can able to use any formula. So function is very important to learn. Here we are use some of our own functions, our own formulas, that percentage. Here we learn then how you can get the percentage of particular amount. So this is not a tutorial about the salary, but this is the tutorial which shows that how you can get the percentage of your amount with this simple logic. So thanks for watch this. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks.